Hello guys, it's Boredom from Sweden, and I'm here down in the New York City tunnels. And today, like I promised, I'm going to be opening 1,000 fever cases because I didn't get a knife in the last video I said I would do. If I wouldn't get a knife, I was gonna open 1,000 cases. And I will, in this video. Now, I need to find my way out of here so that I can open the 1,000 cases. Oh, I think I see something. Shalom! Are you ready to see me open a skeleton ruby?
The knives? Yeah.
Yeah? Surely it's my time right now. As they say in Sweden, on the trisslott. Look,
What now?
it's like one of the scratchy things. It says plötsligt händer det. It means like suddenly it happens. And that's me with this knife right now, bro. This is not the best time for me to open this. Best time would have been first day because then the odds of a Doppler were way higher. Now, however, the odds of any pattern from this case is the same, but the odds if you get a Doppler for a gem is way higher. So that's still glitched. So they said they fixed it, but they really didn't. 1,000 fever cases. And unfortunately, this has to be split up between 2 days because it's just too money. What? It's just Mr. Krabs, money! It's just too much money to spend in 1 day on Steam. Flint and steel! Oh, please give me knife! If I don't get one after this, legit, I'm gonna start smoking if I don't get a gold from this 1,000.
Smoke Chinese cigarettes.
Yeah, I'm gonna start smoking Chinese unfiltered leaded cigarettes, okay? Battle's Garden, it looks so good.
Your mum, I leave her Battle's Garden, she still looks good. I'm eating apple, by the way.
You're eating apple? You're like every movie villain ever. Ah, nay! I still haven't gotten a single red. Even if you open a knife, it's not profit at this point XD. Brother, it's the point is not profit. I'm like V for Vendetta. The point is to prove a message.
To who?
The Agartha Nephilims living there eating children who built the Aztec temples and the pyramids. Yes! Print stream! I showed them! Please! Okay, lol. Bro, this is actually good. Yeah! This is actually good. This is the red I wanted. It doesn't look great. Italy. Yo! Okay, it looks good. I'm gonna be a very doomer mindset and say field tested max. Well worn, no, I knew it. Fucking piss coke. Hey, that's fine. 150 euro. Okay. W, that's a W. I've opened 700 of these now, and I haven't gotten a gold.
Talk about the Nephilim again.
Okay, dear Nephilim in center of Earth who have a nuclear reactor who powers the heat from the middle of the Earth, can you please give me a knife? Anomaly, how are you so fat? What's your method? Yeah, so okay, your mom, she stuffs pizza in her pussy, okay? By the way, I'm not gonna lie, Sams, for this video, I have... Hey! Star Trek! See? Okay, we're inching ever so closer to the rate of the gold. You still in Malta? No, I reside in Agartha.
Behind the ice wall.
Like, what is Agartha? Like, whenever I mention it, people are like, I didn't know Anomaly was chill like that. It has to be like some racist
How is
thing.
it racist? Agartha
No,
is a legendary kingdom that is said to be located on the
Yeah,
inner
right.
surface of the earth.
Oh, yes! Actually, favor! Oh my god, skeleton! No way! I got it! We talk about Agartha on my other monitor! I Google Agartha, and that's how we get it! No way! Dude, what's happening? Skeleton marble, holy shit! Dude, that looks so good! Oh,
Say
yes!
thank you, say thank you.
Thank you, Agartha. Thank you.
They just tried to kill you.
Yeah. Oh. 0.00. Yes. What? Holy. Oh. Holy shit. I can't believe it. I got it finally. Wait, how much is it? If it's over 1,000, I'm very happy. There's one listed on Steam and it's 1,800 euro. Oh my god. We did it. I knew my luck wouldn't just abandon me. There we go. Searing Rage. Crazy wood texture.
I feel like this case in particular has been our first look at the new generation of
Yeah,
skins.
because the other ones, hey, back to back, that's mega rare. 3% followed by a 3%. I think it's like a 1 in 1,000. That is rarer than a knife. I love that that's like become my thing. I didn't even intend for it to. It's just like, it's just what it is. It's rarer, you know. Hey! What the fuck? Wait, What?
That's rarer than 2 knives.
That's insane! If you get a bad rust coat, can I have it as our anniversary gift? Vatumis, if I get a survival rust coat, I'll send it to you, yeah.
What? That's crazy.
Right now, we only need the Glocky and the bad trip to finish the whole collection, because we already got the knife. Have you been to Baltics?
No.
Have you been to Balkans?
No.
You're just racist. Oh, there we go! The only skin right now that we need to get golden checkmark is the FAMAS. Like, we're probably gonna get it, because we're opening so many cases, but dude, woof, I'm happy. Ah! Nej, satan! Isn't Zyn hella big in USA now?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So y'all are starting to
That's crazy.
snooze. We got you, bro.
You have a lot of flavors in Sweden, or is it just like fucking...
Holy shit! Yes, baby! Like, now I'm so happy not to get the FAMAS, because this is so much better. By the way, yes, you see out of this scope the same amount as Helen Keller would see using a sniper. You see, it's just fully blacked out.
User joined your channel.
Hello, team.
Hello, Hikes. How are you doing, bro?
Hikes.
Isn't it crazy that you're unbanned now and we can talk?
That is really crazy. I'm just gonna spectate you watch. Spectate you open
Spectate
cases.
you watch.
Spectate you watch.
Well, I mean, I am screen sharing in Discord, but then again, Discord is sanctioned, so I guess you can.
Yeah.
Wait,
for
no,
sure.
Discord isn't sanctioned. You guys banned Discord.
Yeah. But
Ah, no, the FAMAS! Gentlemen, we are on the last 10 cases of the first day. We already have one crazy knife. We already have 2 really good reds and a bunch of pinks. I guess when I'll be back with the next 500 cases, we're gonna hope for another knife and another 2 reds. Okay, last case now out of the first 500. Bam! The dry streak has officially ended as well. Okay, there we go. Now, next 500 is tomorrow. So we're here now, it's the next day, the spend limit has been lifted, and we are continuing the 1000 cases.
I'm eating crackers.
What did you call me?
Can you get a fucking knife?
Okay. Hey! Searing Rage Battle Scarred. Ay. Dude, we've gotten so many of the pinks now.
You've actually gotten so many, it's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah. Hey, did you know this is the anime, the woman, the anime?
Smash.
I hate Malta. I have been waiting for the fucking McDonald's Minecraft menu for so long, but it never comes here. There is no Minecraft meal.
Do I get, like, the full Minecraft meal?
Yeah.
Do I go and get
Yeah.
everything? Do I go drive there, or do I...
Oh, yes, another one! Favorite knife! Oh my god! Is this my Minecraft meal? No, bro! Oh my god, I'm checking. It's legit listed for $130.
It's free. It's free.
Oh my god.
It's less than the Minecraft meal. Fucking crazy.
Oh my god, wait. I said to the guy in chat, 120-month sub. Vatumis, if I get a survival rust coat, I'll send it to you, yeah.
What?
I said exactly that! It was a survival rust coat! Agartha! Stop! So this knife that I opened, it's quite literally not even mine. I have to give it to Vatumis.
It's essentially on loan.
I mean, just delete the word.
Just delete the knife.
Most honest Russian!
Do I want to tip my courier? Fuck no. I should have 2 toys. And if they don't give me the toys, the fucking delivery driver is not getting no tip, he's getting kicked in the fucking head.
In RP?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, another one! What the fuck? Oh my god! What? The third one? No way! Nomad Damascus, baby! Yes, sir! Hell yeah! Now the luck is back. FN as well! It was like 30 cases between. Barely even. Woohoo! The third one. How much is this one worth, actually? What the fuck? I'm
Factory
so
New is
lucky
pretty
now.
nice.
Factory News crazy.
Bounce on it, bounce on it.
Yeah, okay. FN $422. We've opened like over $2,000 just in the knives today. Then.
Yeah, you don't get one of them though.
Fuck! I forgot that. We're actually like low-key profiting.
Back to
back.
Back to back, 1 in 160,000.
Haktor.
No. Bro upgraded from wooden sword to iron sword.
Oh
Legit.
my god. And now you're gonna get diamond,
Diamond.
sword.
Bling. That's the sapphire diamond sword.
Yeah.
Bling. Agartha. No.
Oh.
Hey! Wait, this has to be minimal wear at least. The color is vibrant. Maybe even FN. I think FN. Feel tested. I'm fucking just lying.
Yeah.
Has your wife given birth?
Yeah, I'm a dad now.
No shit!
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not.
Ludwig, give me server admin for 1 second.
Oh, no.
No,
stop.
no.
Like, you guys can't handle it. Like, you guys... Ah! Ah!
Knife? What did you get?
I fucking missed the print stream.
They forgot my fucking nether source.
No way.
Is this real life?
Or is
I'm
this
gonna
just
up
a
My
that.
race?
nether sauce!
Oh yes, the Famas finally completed collection minimal wear.
That farmhouse actually looks clean.
Yeah, dude, nice. This is the one skin I was missing. Golden check mark, dick boys. Woo!
You know why I have a golden check mark?
Why?
I have it on Face It.
No one cares.
Grinder.
No one asked.
Wait. Vatumis is in chat. Oh no. Vatumis. Do you remember I told you if I opened the survival rust coat, I was gonna give it to you? And I said it as a joke because I thought there was no way I was actually gonna get it.
Hey, there's no more going back.
No, I said it as a joke because I thought I wouldn't get it, but now I got it, so now I have to honor it.
Yeah, and you have to give me the Nomad Damascus because you told that as well.
Can you send your trade link and I'll send you the survival when it's tradable? Vatumis, are
Fury.
you... Fury, stop it, you bitch. I'm not complaining. We're like actually low-key with all the blues, purples, and pinks. I think we're
Probably-
break even, at least. I
Yeah.
think, honestly. Whoopam!
Agatha, please.
Bro, it
You
doesn't
don't ask
matter.
for
We
much.
already got so much. I'm actually content.
Case 4.
I'm not happy! Last case, gentlemen. 3 knife adventure. 1 crazy knife, 1 good knife, and 1 very bad knife. 2 up print streams. We got the Famas. Every skin we want. So many
Whole collection.
purples and pinks. Whap him!
Thank you, Agatha.
I'm flicking my mouse. It doesn't work. What the fuck? My razor is dead. Whoa!
Agatha, please. Agatha,
please. Okay, that was it. On the paper, we were supposed to get 2.5 knives, but we actually ended up getting 3, which is very lucky. W case opening. Now
Pretty
I'm gonna go
fucking nice.
actually be happy because my luck has changed for once. Hopefully this keeps up, so every video case opening is just 3 knife unboxing. Whoop-am! That's for the video, by the way, guys, so I'm just
Yeah,
gonna have
guys,
to restart
yeah.
my CS now.
Was it worth it?
No.